go.
The green crate, I'm the luckiest man alive.
Nice. Grab that shit.
It's a fucking cleaver. Come
Nice.
and get motherfucking cleaved. OMW.
You don't have to come to me right away. If you can, like, if you're near a building, just loot it and sell everything, so we can get your airdrop. Yeah, I'm good. Guys should have pepper sprayed me.
I got contact. Oh, that's a fucking barrel. I'm in the fucking wilderness.
There's a guy at me, but he's dumb, so.
Already died here.
There's another guy at me.
I still don't have you on my... There you are. Jesus. I really thought that was off the board. Mucho far. Across a fucking gorge?
There's a guy following me too.
Alright. Head to the sky bridge. That's where I'm headed.
But there's a crate. Got it. He opened it for a minute, took it and ran.
Is your left arm numb? Are you missing your left arm? Apply pressure to open wounds until help arrives.
I got another guy behind me too, and he's got his
Oh,
tag
I'm
on.
at the sky bridge. You're at the bottom. Alright.
Yeah, I'm underneath. Oh, that was you.
Coming.
You can hit those switches up there, make people fall, so be careful.
Alright.
The bridge is flipped.
Come on.
Oh, okay. Nice. Let's go back this way, because I need a weapon. Like, up the hill. I'm gonna let your stamina come back too.
Go.
You can just walk and come back slowly.
Gas!
Oh, hey, green crate.
It's time to play Loot Express. In 2 minutes,
Do you have a weapon?
random package will be delivered to
I have a cleaver.
callcast.com.
Alright, I got a javelin now. I'm gonna get some punchy sticks.
I might be able to get some punches. Got some punches.
Let's go to the middle and stick them down over
I
here.
got some punches. Do we want to trap up the arena?
Yeah, let's go do that quick. Let me get one more. I'm gonna put my this bandage here. If you have room for that bandage, you can take it. There.
I have a rock instead, but I don't know how to drop. I'm gonna throw it.
Press G if you want.
Whoop.
Drop it.
Threw that shit, dude!
What?
I threw that rock like a
Oh.
champion.
Nice. Yeah, it's gonna be assholes. To the middle. Oh yeah, take this too. I have body armor. I tried to stole it. Let's go ahead and use it. They give you a full armor.
Inventory full.
Just drop something, you can pick it right back up.
You drop things.
G? Maybe?
E?
And just throw it. Throw it on the ground, who cares?
Boom! It didn't work. Papa! I need that bandage.
I go find it.
Just chucked the bandage.
Chucked it, dude. Whatever. I can't wait to throw this fucking cleaver.
A package has been delivered to Callcast Satcom.
Can I get one more thing of punch sticks?
Fuck you, tree!
Somebody just killed someone else with a spear. What a painful way to go.
We're gonna find a poison thing. These give you ammo back, by the way, if you have a gun. You can... Wait, craft explosive with a stick? 1 second. This is new to me.
An enemy just killed someone
This is
else
a thing.
with a spear.
I could always make explosives.
I can't.
Yeah. This changes everything.
What do you make?
I made a crafted explosive so I can light the fuse and throw it at someone who gets, like, puke from my Punji sticks. This is totally safe. Yeah.
I got a stick to make more punjos.
It's the thing right there. Use it
Yeah.
on this. Then we'll just go to the arena, put them all down, come back here, chop trees, and get more and go put more.
I got it. One of my 12.
Yeah, I see him.
Ba-na-na-na-na. Punji punch. Punji time. Punji time.
Shut the fuck up, Sean.
Punji time. Punji time. Da, da, da.
Let's just let them fight while we put punjies. We're good.
Should I be placing them here?
Just put them anywhere. Put them in the water. Sideways, on cliffs. I don't fucking care. Don't put them out there. Put them inside the arena.
Yeah, I'm trying.
It'll enclose all the way around the arena, so.
Punji time. Punji time.
Your enemy was just beaten like an
Punji
egg
time.
in a cooking scenario.
Punji time.
Yeah.
These guys with bows, careful. They're trying to shoot me. Just put my punjies down, dude.
Whatever, dude. Oh, I'm right on someone's butt.
Careful, those two.
You tried to get me while I was punching. Fuck him. Yeah, run over my punches. He's on me. He's on my 6. Help me, dragon.
Run! I got you. I got a compound bow.
Punji time. Punji time. I hear the guy puking. Oh, we got punjies everywhere, dude.
You remove your enemy's soul with a spear. You send him to hell on a slow train. All aboard.
Oh, there's a dude at the top. He's on the top of the thingers. He's in the center arena.
That's fine. I just killed some guy and took his shit.
Great. I'm just
There's
punching.
more people fighting over here. Should I give him a surprise?
Sure. Now I'm Mr. Cleaver friend.
No, no, Mr. Dynamite through the window. Oh no. Hello, friends.
Do you have a
Bye.
pacemaker or
Where's my
I
friend?
made you feel better.
There he is.
Come back later. Let's one single bullet can save decades off your life. Just one knife blade in your bloodstream or skull can sometimes result in horrific side effects.
You have trouble?
You're all dead.
Yeah, there's another guy in the woods. Careful.
What are you doing to my friend?
Your buddy kills
motherfucker?
an opponent with a blade.
There's another one.
Don't you dare mess with my friend. Where is he? Are you still alive?
I'm chasing his ass.
Oh, I got you. I'm gonna get his equipment. You can
Alright,
get
you do
him,
that.
please.
This guy's a fast runner. I'm gonna make a bunch of arrows and shoot him. Oh god, something like holy shit! I'm going back.
Here's a bow and arrow. Oh, here's no fucking arrow. Oh! What are you doing? What are you doing? You leave him alone!
Kill, just kill.
You got a bow, man. You want a bow?
I got a bow. I need to ask.
You already got a bow? He's got a better bow, probably. It's 3 types of bows.
Alright.
Good health will keep you healthy. Being aware of your health status will help you survive during your time on the island.
I've never hear you want a backpack, dude? Here you go.
No, I got 2. I'm good.
Yeah!
Jesus. Sell them and get an airdrop.
I need. Oh, I can make a crafted blowgun. I need one of these.
You need those. You need Punji sticks. Put that away.
I need one of those.
But you get a bow.
Just beat
If we fight in the arena, when they step in the Punji, they get sick, puke, and then you shoot them in the head with a bow. Yeah, so let's go.
Dude has a med kit. I'm gonna chuck a fucking thing for this.
Medkit? Nice, save that. It's a full heal.
Alright.
I'm gonna get some more sticks.
Are you unable to hear the
I got poison darts.
Nice. Yeah, you can. You can use the blowgun at the machine. You can up to 9 of them, I think.
Oh, wait, no, stop! Ah, I set it off, run!
What the fuck?
I think I see a blue crate. I'm going for it.
Alright. I'm gonna go down the road and make some more arrows.
You're just straight up sabotaging you, Vandal.
A kukri? That's better than this. Asa cleaver. Get a kukri.
I know we need more Punji sticks.
Here's my friend. Bam, bam, bam.
Yeah, just throw the cleaver.
Dude, I don't give a fuck, dude.
Here,
Crazy.
more Punji sticks.
I can't punch it. I've got too much other ordnance. Look at my
I've got a
blowgun,
bow,
dude.
a javelin, and about to have 9 more Punjis.
Attention.
So,
It's time to play.
Alright.
Grab
Please,
my
let's
package.
do more
A random
punches.
weapon
Yep,
airdrop
need
is
more
on its
Punjis.
way to a secret location.
the
Let's get-
gas
Airdrop is
will flood the
there.
arena until that only just the circle in the middle is open. It's like 10 by 10 to move.
Grab
So,
my package.
Let's apocalypto these motherfuckers.
is there even anyone left? It's like one other team. One's name is Lol Faggot Weeaboo. So I think,
Oh, that
I think we're
sucks.
safe.
Dude, I got a motherfucking kukri.
I got Punjies. Oh, they're at the middle. This is awkward. 1 second. Hold still, bitch.
Alright. I'm wasting shots. I'm moving in close with blowgun.
Yeah, let's move in close, put down Punjies, fuck them up.
I have no punches.
That's fine.
Taking top tier for blowgunness.
He's got a chainsaw, stay away. He's got... Stay away.
Okay.
He's got a chainsaw.
I'll run away.
Ow! Just blow
that
down to
was
me, you fuck!
Sorry! God damn it!
Oh my god, no! What have you done? Save me!
Oh no! Oh, he's on me!
Run!
He's on me so hard! He's on me so hard!
run! I shot you! I got him, it's okay.
That chainsaw is fucking you up.
Chainsaw that bitch.
You just threw that and killed your opponent. Well done.
Yeah, I got one now. How you fucking like it? It's not working so well here. Let's get orange juice, take him out.
An enemy killed your number one pal with a blade.
Yeah, I got him! I threw the chainsaw at his face. Seems great. Oh shit.
I don't get anything for fucking third place?
You should have gotten something. At the bottom it tells you.
I didn't get shit.
This range shit.